Hey guys, it's Nikki G. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the YouTube channel. This is LNS. Shyla partnered with Dose of Colors and released a lip set. I'm excited to show you guys, and if you're new here, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do reviews, lookbooks, and hauls. So yeah, we're just gonna get right into the video because I have work after this. So. Oh, the box is so cute. So it's in light pink and it says Shyla all around it. It says Dose of Colors. And I'm sure if you guys go on their website, they still have it. I know each customer is limited to 2 orders, so make sure you guys get it. It's only $39 plus tax. This is actually my first time buying something from any YouTuber, so I'm actually really excited. So here's the box and it just says Shyla. That's how it looks like. And we have a lipstick and a lip gloss and a lip liner. This is how the lip liner looks. The lip liner. Which I'm actually glad she has that because I love lip liners. Makes the whole look better, not messy, I feel like, in my opinion. Here we have the lipstick. And it's in the shade Shyla. Then we also have this color. It's similar. This is how it looks when you open it. So you see right here, she looks so pretty. I love their channel. I just love her so much. It's just one Stay Glossy lip gloss, one lip liner, and one Velvet Mousse lipstick. And you also get Shyla stickers. So super excited to try it out right now. So I'm gonna try it out. Well, first I'm gonna start with the lip liner.
So I'm just gonna line my lips. So far it feels really nice. Super glad my son is staying still and quiet because I'm ready. It feels really creamy. Okay, I'm gonna get the lip liner again.
So far, I freaking love it. I feel like this is gonna be my go-to lipstick. Just gonna line it up a little bit more. All right, and there you got it. I really, really like it. By the way, this is only limited edition, so once it's sold out, it's sold out. You missed out. So $39, so I actually think this is really worth it because usually lipsticks are like $20 each. I know Anastasia, which is a really good brand, hers are like $25 each lipstick, and they're this size. So, and you get a lip liner and 2 for $39, so I think that's a steal. I think she made this very affordable for people, so yeah. I'm going to take this off and try the lip gloss. So we're just gonna do a lip gloss now.
It smells really good also. Sorry to hear that snoring, it's my baby.
I'm not really a lip gloss type of girl, but I actually do like this. I probably wouldn't wear this a lot often just because I don't like the glossy look of it. But it does feel nice. So I really like that part. You actually don't need to apply a lot of the lip gloss. But yeah, I do like the lipstick better. Just like I said, I don't like the glossy look, but this is a really nice color. And it does feel really nice and it smells really good also. So Shyla, I give your product a 10. If you haven't ordered yours, make sure you guys do. I really loved it and I'm sure you guys will too. And yeah, that's it for the video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment down below if you actually got this. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.